Hello, YouTube. Good afternoon. It's your main man BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. Let's go. Happy New Year and welcome to 2025. In this video, I'm talking about Ai16z. Ai16z is a new AI agent trying to figure out myself, but I did notice on the Dex tools, I've been watching it for a while, and I got in when it was like 20 cents or 40 cents, and now it is up to $1.97, up 2.6%. And this is the crypto bubbles. Let's see, where is it? Yesterday it was up 23% or something. But yeah, for the week it's up 143. For the month it's up 494. And today it's up 2.8, down 4.5% in the last hour. But it did rocket up the coin ranking. So if you can see here, it is number 7, 1.9 1.94 cents, 2.16 billion. So it's definitely pushing up, and there's definitely a lot of interest in it. So let's check out exactly. This is their Twitter page, Ai16z AI Ledge Head Fund, open source AGI movement. This is the partners. This is their GitHub link, no affiliation with Ai16z. And they say this a lot, so I'm not 100% sure what this A16, what this A16 project is. So this is someone else talking about it. You see here, this is something about the GitHub. Our clients in action, tackling long-awaited tasks with ease in just minutes. We generated 10 issues from the Eliza OS repo, a job that would have taken hours manually. So this is the Eliza OS operating system for AI agents. And I'm not 100% sure what this number is, but this is the AI16Z. Become a partner, trust leadership board. I saw this DAO previously, so I want to look at that as well. But we'll come back to that. And this is current coin market cap. Coin market cap showing it's up 4%. Market cap 2.1 billion. 24-hour trading volume 138.1 million. This is the contract address, Solana, and the trading pair. So let me know if you guys are interested. This is a quick short I'll play for you.
My stance on this is that it's not really an agent coin. It's a investment DAO controlled by a team who buys AI agent coins and then launches AI agent coins. But this one is very, very grifty because these guys, whenever they launch a new type of agent, they create like 4 contracts and 3 of them rot. And this is the problem. It's not really a agent-driven coin. It's a team-driven coin, person-driven coin. And that ultimately is not a good idea. The whole point of these memes in the first place, even though they're AI, but they're still memes, is that it's got to be fair launched. I don't plan to buy any of this, and it's also not listed on large centralized exchanges, whereas you have GOAT, way better exchanges. Look at this: Binance, Kraken, BitMEX, Gemini, Bybit, OKX. So this gives you way more confidence. So GOAT at 850 million versus this at 300 million, like I pick GOAT any day of the week. To follow my Bitcoin trade.
So I wasn't 100% sure when he made this, but clearly these guys are doing better at 2.16 billion versus GOAT is 616 million market cap. So something happened. So moving forward, this kind of a quick overview from Coin Bureau Trading, and they're talking about Ai16z.
Ai16z, which is like this popular crypto investment firm, like VC firm. Basically, Ai16z, to my understanding, is just like an AI agent, hedge fund. It's a pretty nice narrative, but I'm personally not too sold on it. Again, this is just my personal opinion, but this is what this particular AI agent is all about, is like this like hedge fund, basically. And to be honest, guys, when I was doing technical analysis here on Ai16z, I didn't really see anything too bullish. Like it's really hard, to be honest, at this stage. It's a fairly new crypto, so it's a little bit hard to kind of get a sense. Still, it's kind of been going up only, basically, like over the last, I don't know, like 2 weeks. So when it's in this kind of like price discovery mode, it's very hard to get a sense of like how high it could go exactly, because it's really hard to identify where the resistance levels, where is the well, in this case, the starting point is pretty obvious, somewhere around 75 cents for this most recent move. But the thing is, like, okay, is the resistance then at $1.75? Maybe. Could we already be hitting resistance here around $2.50? Is it possible that it'll go up to this $2.75 target and higher? The answer to all of the above is yes, which makes things a little bit frustrating. But in my view, I do think that Ai16z is probably going to top out somewhere here around $2.75, maybe in the next couple of days, and then maybe it'll correct back down to maybe $2 or something, and then keep heading higher. We just have to play things by ear, guys, and of course, everything here is on the daily chart. Just to reiterate that, yeah, it's.
So on the daily chart, he did mention it could get to 275, but it did start coming back down today. So we're at 197, looks like, give or take. And there was another quick video I wanted to play. This is Jared.
Now, what exactly happened in the last month, where the price went up by more than 300%? Again, we see organic growth. The number of first-time traders here in purple on the left tends to grow every single day. The number of recurring traders as well. But there are days where there's even more first-time traders than recurring traders on a single day. So there's definitely increasing interest. Especially yesterday, we have seen a lot of token transactions. Now, this is indicating something else. A lot of individual token transactions hints towards automated trading, potentially automated trading by the centralized exchanges. Have a look at the trading volume over time. It comes in waves because attention comes in waves. Yesterday was a massive wave. And what I find interesting is that the trading volume is not necessarily growing by the whales and large retail. So the ownership is growing, but not necessarily the trading volume. Again, another hint that the centralized exchanges might be buying up tokens for market making. Now, crypto as a whole is currently expanding very, very quickly. What we've got behind me is the stablecoin market cap. And this is a 3-year chart. So it starts in July 2021. And we peaked in the stablecoin market cap in April of 2022. Over here, what happened was the Terra Luna collapse. So this is when Anchor Protocol went bust. This is when UST depegged. The market as a whole shrunk. Money was flowing out of crypto. And this is also where FTX collapsed. And then we saw the turnaround in October of last year. Now money is flowing into crypto again. And that's recently accelerating. The stablecoin market cap going up means, of course, that money is flowing from fiat into crypto. And that, of course, means that prices across all of the crypto space should continue to rise. I really like this chart because it has very little volatility. We can see the trend very clearly. In the short term, though, we might be slightly heated. What we've got over here is again a stablecoin market cap chart, but this time that's not in US dollars. This time it's relative to the entire crypto market. So you might have heard of the Bitcoin dominance chart, right? How much of all of crypto is currently in Bitcoin? That's, by the way, currently at roughly 60%. It tends to peak at around 70%. What we see over here is the stablecoin dominance. So how much of all of crypto is currently in the stablecoins? And there is a strong inverse correlation between this and crypto prices. So when the stablecoin dominance is high, crypto prices are low. And when the stablecoin dominance is low, crypto prices. Does it make sense to buy Ai16z right now at the current prices? How much more upside potential is there? It seems like the market makers and the big whales are buying up the token. But let's say we get an announcement by, for example, Binance listing the token. How much higher could Ai16z go? Let's have a look at the Solana meme coin space. The largest token is Bonk with a market cap of 2.4 billion. Ai16z has already a market cap of 1.4 billion. So let's say the market stands still, or let's say we only look at outperformance and we ignore the general ups and downs of the market. A 2x from here would be a stretch. Ai16z would then become the largest of all the Solana meme coins. Is that possible? Yes, potentially. Is it likely? I'm not so sure. What I do think is likely though, is that once we see an announcement of a centralized exchange listing the token again, that we will get another leg up. We might go up by 30%, maybe 40%. We're probably not going to 3x from here. But with a listing, we could see some more price appreciation. Now, currently, most trading volume still happens on Radium. That's then followed by Gate.io and Qcoin and MEXC. And we do have perpetual futures trading volume as well by OKX and Gate.io. But again, let's say the token becomes available on Binance, we might see another 30-40% increase. But at that point in time, the air is probably going to get pretty thin. When Bitcoin doesn't go majorly above 100K, I don't see Ai16z going above $2. That's probably the ceiling. And so really, I believe most upside is again in the smaller tokens. It's in the tokens where people don't tend to watch YouTube videos of, right?
Ai16z actually did get above $2. So let's see if we can find it here. Yeah, here it is at $1.96, and yesterday it got up to $2.46. So let me know what you guys think. There's some slight pullback, but I think it's gearing up for a leg up. Let me know what you guys think about it. You like it, you love it, you hate it. Either way it go, let BTM know what you're thinking about the Ai16z token. Buy it, hold it, sell it, get rid of it, research it. It's not financial advice. Do your own research before investing in any tokens. But this is your main man, BTM, signing out. Have a good rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Remember, let's get back to the money, guys. And as always, stay dangerous. Miner out.